How to use Adobe Lightroom Mobile feature. To use the Adobe's Lightroom Mobile feature, first of all, launch the application on your device. You can find the application on your Google Play Store or even App Store. Once you download it, go ahead and launch it, then log into your account. Now you simply have to click the Add Photos icon in the bottom right corner, then choose your images directly from your device's internal camera roll, cloud storage, or an attached memory card. And then you can proceed to edit with basic adjustment. Apply quick edits by tapping the auto button or manually edit the lightings and parameters. You can also refine color vibrances by tapping on the color menu, and you can use the mix wheel to modify the hue, saturation, and luminance of the specific individual colors. You can also add textures and details using the Effects tab. You can also use the advanced AI and preset tools. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.